So we've been successful with our partners in securing 2 gigawatts of offshore wind seabed in the Netherlands, a market that we've been active in for some years now and are really excited about.
I think there were 3 key factors in us winning the tender. One was showing our experience in developing offshore wind farms in the UK and Ireland. Secondly was our plan for ecology. On the one hand, limiting the impact on nature at the North Sea. And secondly, creating as much new possibilities for nature in that IJmuiden Ver area. And then thirdly, an extensive research program, which we've developed together with Naturalis, which is the Dutch Institute for Biodiversity Research.
We have a really good joint venture partner in APG, which is the Netherlands' largest pension fund. So they're a very established household name in the Netherlands, which helps us get ourselves better known in the country. This is the first offshore wind farm for SSE outside the UK and Ireland, and it's great that it's in the Netherlands, such a strong country in terms of offshore wind, and also, one of our nearest neighbours.
Offshore wind energy in the Netherlands is developing very rapidly. A few years ago it was only a niche, and now it has become one of the largest sources of electricity production in the Netherlands. And the Dutch government has a roadmap to step-by-step develop offshore wind further, and it will soon become the largest source of electricity production here in the country.